Make gardening more fun by using these handy tips. With help from a wire hanger, cleaning chores can be made much easier. Place a bag into the reshaped hanger. Hang this up and use it to put your weeds into. Can't get a plant out of a flower pot? Use 2 pieces of Scotch tape and problem solved! To propagate a succulent, you can cut a stem and place the cutting in a new pot. To water succulent cuttings properly, use a spray bottle. Alternatively, you can take a cutting from the leaves. You can cut these off with a knife or remove them by hand. Afterwards, always remember to mist the donor plant with water. Plant the leaves in soil and water them every 15 to 20 days. Within a few weeks, you will see new sprouts growing. How to keep plants standing upright? Drill 2 holes in the flower pot and thread a cable tie through them. Then, tighten the cable tie around the plant stems. Done! Easy! The stems produce a large quantity of plantlets from which new plants can be grown. Rather than putting the cuttings in water, use a pine cone to grow multiple plants at the same time. To propagate rosemary, choose a young branch which is at least 10 centimeters tall and cut it off. Leave only a few leaves at the top. Immerse in water and place the rosemary cutting in a sunny spot. After a few weeks, you should start to see roots growing. Now, it's time to plant the rosemary cutting in a pot and wait for it to mature. Don't throw away sprouted onions. Did you know that when onions start to sprout, it's the perfect opportunity to grow new onion plants? Cut off the sprouts from the onions and remove their skins. Place a damp cloth in a container and position the onions in it with their cut sides facing upward. Shortly, you should see new shoots sprouting. Always keep the onions moist and let their leaves grow out. Now, you have spring onions you can use in the kitchen.